Hi, my name is Eric Shupps from Dallas, Texas, and I'm a Microsoft MVP. European Collaboration Summit is one of my favorite events of the year. And the reason that I like it so much is because it's a community event organized by people who are passionate about the topic. They're passionate about Office 365 and Teams and the Microsoft ecosystem as a whole. But more importantly, they want to share that knowledge and bring people together so that they can learn from each other. And that's what community is really all about. It's not about running conferences for profit or for the pure maximum number of attendees we can generate, although there are great for-profit conferences. But a community conference is really about us getting together to learn from one another, to share the latest knowledge, to find out how other people are dealing with the challenges that we deal with on a day-to-day basis, and to find ways to create and improve that we might not have otherwise discovered if we hadn't gone to events like this. That's what makes it my favorite conference of the year, and I can't wait to be in Wiesbaden next June for European Collaboration Summit 2020.